data tags for fixtures. So I'll take annotation and I will go to this wonderful, what do they call it here? Measurement tool, dimensions and notes, data tag, and I have mine saved in my symbols, but you can go and make one and keep it wherever. You can also open up a file and find it in there, but I have it in my symbols file, and I have different ones that I made. So this is the original one that I made, and since then I made one that just has like a full blob, and then one that has just a channel. So for now, let's use just the channel one, and let's just put it here and then link it. And let's forget about it for now. Let's go out. Let's turn the classes on. So it's got the channel and it's got a leader line. Amazing. Annotations. Now let's see what size we want. Let's go to scale, set it to 5. Let's see what that looks like. Still too small. Let's do 7. Looks okay. Set it to 10. Because this viewport is massive. Again, this is an RHD paper, so it's huge. Take that, and then let's change our leader line, something like that. Okay, so I want the leader line to be line, and I want the factor to be 10. I'm going to delete this one, go back to data tag, and click this little tools preferences bar, leader, line, display, factor, 10. Okay, and now I can go and add these all as I would like. And the cool part is I can take all of these, and since they're annotations, and it doesn't listen to, it's not going to care about where this part is, it's going to care about where the bubble, where the text is. So I can move them all, and the leader line will just listen to it afterwards and say, okay, based off where I am, just make a line straight back to the center of the fixture or wherever you clicked it. So you could move where that line ends, right? Now I can take them all and I can do some cool stuff. So I can align distribute to the middle. I could distribute horizontally, which is really cool when I'm doing something like if I have a bunch of fixtures all in one spot, I'll do like one here, one here, one here, and then just align distribute them, and it'll automatically populate nicely. Now the other cool thing, data tag, and then there's this one where it says all eligible objects mode. So as long as I click one, it'll pop for all of them, which I do not like at all how it puts it for ones that are not even in the viewport, which is incredibly annoying all the time. But it is what it is. So now I can take all of them, and let's say if I move one to be dead center, well, I'm selecting all of them, it'll make them all dead center. And then I can take all these, bring them to here. Let's move that like that. And I'll take this as well, and then align distribute middle, and then just like that. And let's say these two, I want them to be out here. There we go. And the other side as well. Simple, easy, fast, and then I would just delete these ones, but it does get annoying. The same thing is true, so if I go to my design layer and I let's say hide that, and let's say I take this, view, hide selected objects, apply, turn to viewport, it's still going to know that it's there, it's not gone. So example, if I delete all of them, data tag, take all of them, it's still going to apply it even though they're not visible, which is really annoying. Sometimes it's helpful, but usually not. So yeah.